Cable's going out. Check the depth sounder, Marcus.
Reading steady at 40 meters, Elena. No anomalies yet.
Secure that line, Marcus. We need that ready for the first drop.
Elena, the samples are stored appropriately.
Good. Double check the weather buoy before we leave the harbor.
I got it. I see the badge. Unbelievable. Log the coordinates immediately. We need to prep the lift.
Hey, we are working hard to entertain you, so please subscribe our channel.
The depth and decompression risk are too high for a dive.
And the fuel vapors.
The ROV capacity is sufficient. We initiate the staged descent now.
Easy with the winch. Watch the cables.
Hold it right there, almost clear of the deck.
Easy, easy. Set her down, gentle.
After all this time, welcome home. She's a runner, Dr. Voss. First kick, she caught. I cried, I'm not ashamed to say. There's something about these old machines. She's a runner, Dr. Voss. First kick she caught. I cried, I'm not ashamed to say.
That's wonderful, Harold. As long as she runs, that's all that matters.
The pitting on the cooling fins is significant, but the valve seats are surprisingly intact.
Absolutely marvellous. A bit of saltwater preservation. Who would have thought the T120R would hold up this well? She's a runner.
Hey, we are working hard to entertain you, so please subscribe our channel.
He was cleared by the court of inquiry, but not by his conscience. He kept asking about the motorcycle's fate.
Ah, I see.
Beautiful, but also a ghost. Died and brought back through intervention and will.
Is that a motorcycle?
On the gravel path.
Steady, hold it steady now.
All right, secure the chains. Watch your hands there.
The chain snapped! Hold tight, we're losing it! They're breaking loose!
It's breaking apart. We have to get out of here. We are working hard to entertain you, so please subscribe our channel.
This Triumph, frame number DU34912, represents not just a recovery, but the
The Avenger wreckage here from 1943 shares the same debris field southeast of Nantucket as the...
He wrote about wanting to ride in England after the war. They had good roads, he said, good bikes. He was only 19.
We believe that objects carry memory far more reliably than documents. It speaks to the ethics of preservation and the aesthetics of its decay.